Y'all get into this look. Hi guys, well, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new makeup, of course. So the new makeup we're going to be talking about today is Colourpop's new neon collection. I did snag one palette because I think the other two, one was pink and the other one orange, and I had too many of those colors, so I wanted to snag the really highlight, like light bright highlight palette. And then I did get all of the lip oils. So I can't wait to get into all of these, but you guys already know, before I jump all the way into it, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to leave a comment below. And as well, don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there as well. And y'all, like I said before, I do have a discount code with Dossier. You get 10% off. It is Danielle10. You get it for 1 month, guys. Grab a fragrance, use my code, you'll love it. Like I said before, try the $29, the low tier one, just to see if you like it. And again, use a sample, spray it, you don't like it, send back the full thing, get your whole refund. It's all good. So guys, let's get into this cute little collection. This one is the Neon Gaze. It's a pressed powder palette, of course, the PPPs, you know. And this one I did, like I said before, I just got one because this one really stood out to me. I love this packaging. Highlighter, lime bright green, and it has the Colourpop on there. Very much 1980s vibe and futuristic vibe too. That one is kind of like see-through, kind of plasticky. I like it. I think it's nice and slick. So on the back, they do have all the 5 shades right there on the back. Yes. And then of course, we do have 5 beautiful colors. So you guys already know these little skinny little baby palettes. I love them. The new lip oils. So guys, this packaging, it's a little different. It's the same thing, but just different color schemes. So with all 3 of these new shades, I like at the top that they have just a new neutral kind of topper, and then the applicators inside of these, I think they're same like the rest of the lip oils. So I do like these applicators. They're nice and soft and flexible little applicators. This has nothing too much different or big difference with their packaging before from their other lip oils. The topper's a little different, and of course they do have these new shades. This packaging, I like the beige toppers. I don't know, I like them. So guys, that's all I had to talk about with the packaging. So guys, if you want to get this neon electric look, stay tuned. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and all the lip demos because I like demoing those lips. So back to the palette. This guy is 10 Smackers. You guys already know about these cute little 5-pan palettes. And let's get back into these shades. Like I said earlier, you do get 5 shades in this palette, and it does give you 3 mattes, actually 4 mattes, and one that's a matte with a pinpoint of that shimmer in there. And then they do give you neutrals. The neutrals, electric color, and then they give you those really, really dark browns. So let's start from the front. Drive. I did use her in a little bit of the background to just start off the brown, the kind of brown crease that I was trying to create. That one's a very soft one. She's nothing too crazy and wild. I did use her on the lower tear duct as well. And she's a nice little matte, kind of warm terracotta kind of matte. And then we have the one Future. This is that pinpoint shimmer. This is one of my favorite shades of the palette. It's a very beautiful color. That shimmer is intense and that matte stays put. Darker, like a darker terracotta with gold flakes in it. It's so, so pretty. I was like, when I put underneath, I was like, ooh, ooh, she did that. It was a little more packed the punch than I thought. And the matte stays really well because usually with those pinpoints of shimmer, the shimmer comes out more. But this one, the matte showed up more and then the shimmer laid on top. It was really pretty. Next is Glow Escape. So guys, this is the reason why I bought this whole palette. I just wanted to see, I was like, let me see their neon highlighter, light, bright colors. I want to see what it looked like on my skin tone concealer or eye base. I just want to see. Well, y'all, as you guys can see, she did the thing. She did the thing. So I'm glad I bought this palette because that is the main reason why I bought it, because I was like, I want that color. I really want to see is it pigmented. To me, these two, Future and the Glow Escape right there, pop and they're beautiful. They are the unique colors in this palette. Beats and then Kinetic. These are traditional lighter reddish brown with a deep choco brown. I do love them. I feel like they blend out very, very well. I like that it did give me the illusion of that deeper crease. I think out of the two, my favorite would have to be probably Beats. I think that's really pretty how it does blend out. But Kinetic still is popping. All those dark rich cocoa browns, like, can't go wrong with them. They're all pretty much good, you know. I think I got the right one because I know they had two. Like I said, they had a pink and an orange one, and I think I did get the right one. This is what the idea of a neon collection I was going for. I was like, this is the vibe. So this palette is very, very cute, y'all. If you want a neon fantasy, I would grab it if I was you. So Colourpop, usually with their Luxe glosses, I can't stand them. I've said this before, but their Luxe lip oils, they're okay. They're okay. So the first one is Hot Spark. This is the orangey one. I did get this one to see. I wonder how the orange would kind of show because lip oils don't really have a tint. No, this one does in a way that I have on right now, but mainly they really, really don't. It's not enough tint for it to be like, oh, it's too orange or it's too light of an orange. Is that my orange? Is that the right undertone for me? Lip oils, you ain't gotta worry about that. I really do like the applicator. I like the form. It's very like, it's very slick and smooth, but lightweight. I do like that about their lip oils. I think this one is a pretty shade. To me, I'm not hoo-ha about it because I like my pigmentation in every lip product I have. I don't care if it is an oil. This one is one of the ones I was kind of like, okay, she's cute. She's all right. So next, guys, we're going to be moving into the pinkies. Pink Circuit, Baby Doll Pink. I love her. Anyone that's afraid of lighter Baby Doll Pinks, grab this. You'll like it, especially the girls that are more melanized because some girls, you know, some of us melanized girls, we'd be like, pink, is that my pink? I don't know. This one's a very, very pretty light baby pink for us. This is very, very pretty. Yeah, I think if you're gonna go with baby pink and you're a little bit shy with pinks, I would try lip oil versus like a lip gloss because a lip gloss can be too pigmented or too pinky and maybe look milky or ashy on our lips. This is the baby pink I like to see on my lips, especially two-tone lips. She's the cutie. She doesn't do too much, but she does enough where you're like, oh, that's baby pink on the lips. I see it. She's cute. Last but not least is Cosmic Clique. Y'all, this one's beautiful. I have it on. This is that hot pink Barbie pink. It's so pretty. And I said, this is the pigmentation I was looking for from all of those. But this one I knew, I was like, it's gotta give it to me. It's gotta give it to me. And it does. This is very, very cute with the eyes. I just think it's so, so cute. This is the color I usually would grab any other day. I'd just be like, yeah, I need that hot fuchsia. So I need that hot Barbie pink. And this is what gives it to me. It's traditionally cute. And it does make your lips look hot. I believe this color is pretty on everybody. Everyone. So y'all, overall with this cute little collection from what I got from it, this is cute. This collection was cute. I think the neon vibe with this palette, they did very well. I feel like this palette is very, very pigmented. There's fallout in the palette. There's powder, but it's pressed powder, you know, hence that. But overall, it's very, very pigmented. And that neon is really what I got it for. And it gave me what I was looking for. You do have to build it up a little bit, y'all. But after like the second maybe they're it's like it's already built. So that palette's really, really good. And the lip oils, I'm not really surprised at all that I was kind of like, I knew some could hit or miss, but it still was very, very nice. I do like their lip oil formula. I like the scent of it. I like that it's something there but not there for some lip shades. The pink ones to me are my favorite, hands down. I need a baby pink and I need a hot Barbie pink one. I love it. I love both of them. I think it's a cute little collection that they came out with, a little neon vibe, and I like it. I would like to see them do neon in every shade of the rainbow. I want to see it purple neon. I want to see that. I'm gonna need y'all to do a whole rainbow of it because that would have been awesome to get neon in every color. So guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also guys, don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know out of the collection, do you like any of these palettes and do you like any of the lip oils? Do you like the neon vibes that they're coming with? Let me know in the comments below. And also don't forget to hit that notification button before you go. You guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.